Hello friends, today we'll see few conditional statements in Python. There are few conditional statements in Python like if, and else. We'll see them one by one. Now first, for if condition, we'll see the control flow. Every line that is before the if condition, it will run without any issues. Now we come to the decision making part. We have a condition. It evaluates the condition and returns either true or false. If it is true, we'll run the block that is indented inside the if. Indentation is very important in Python. The block that is indented inside the if, that is one tab inside the if condition, it will run if the condition is met. If the condition is not met, Python will run the code that is has the same indentation as the if condition. Now we'll see some examples. Let's take a variable a equal to 5 and b equal to 7. Now comes the if condition. If a is less than b, this is the syntax for if condition in Python. This is the syntax for if condition in Python. I call the if keyword, and after the if keyword, I give my expression. Expression is the condition which has to be evaluated. So, Python evaluates this expression and returns true or false based upon the value of a and b. But all the statements I want Python to run, if the condition is met, I'll give with a space, a tab. Whenever Python finds a condition or a loop, all the statements that are with this indentation will be considered as a block inside the if condition. All the statements that don't have this indentation will be considered as statements outside the if condition. Code not only single line, I can add as many lines as possible. All the lines which have this indentation, Python will run. Once this indentation is closed, that is, once Python receives a line which has no indentation, or if it has the same indentation as the if condition. Here if condition also has no indentation, and this print also has no indentation. So Python will run this code. And if I give an indentation after this print statement, Python will not accept this. Because to have an indentation, I must have a condition or a loop. Without that, I cannot have indentation in Python. So with this statement in line 6, I have closed the if condition. See, the if condition closes as soon as I give a line that is the same indentation as the if statement, if condition. The if condition has 0 indentation. Now I have the indentation of 0 in the 6th line. Any line which comes with indentation without a condition is a syntax error. So I'll remove this. Here I can find there's a syntax error. Indentation, unexpected indent. So I need to remove this line. A is less than B, line 2, ending the program. All the lines that are with the same indentation, it will print if the condition is met. And then the lines which are outside the if statement, it will print if or if not the condition is met, because it is outside the if condition. If the condition is not met, here A is greater than B. Now 5 is greater than B is false. Python evaluates it and returns a true or a false. Now here 5 is greater than B is false. Whatever the code I have inside this indentation, Python will not execute because my condition is not met. I can see that these two lines are not executed. Now we will take some different use cases. Here we are checking greater than condition. To check greater than or equal to condition, this is the syntax, greater than equal to. Here, for example, if I have 5, a equal to 5, 5 b equal to 7, now we'll change it to 5 itself and check. Here a is greater than or equal to b is true because b and a are equal and they are equal to 5. Now we'll check the condition. Now we'll check the code. Since they are equal, the condition is met and so these two lines must be executed and the code must be printed. We are right. A is less than b, line 2 is printed. Now we will check less than or equal to. Here also the case is true because we have the equal to and these lines are printed. But if it is less than, both are equal, so less than is false. A and B are equal, so less than A less than B is false. So these two lines will not be printed now. We can see that. If A itself is a boolean, for example, we have here we can see that we have taken a variable named persistence, which is a boolean. We have assigned true to that variable. So we are checking if persistence equal to true. To check if a variable is equal to a value, we should use double equal to. Single equal to is used only for declaration in Python. Since persistence equal to true, this condition will evaluate as true and success will be printed. We can since persistence by itself a boolean, I can add that I can check that by is also. If persistence is true, this also will work. If I add not here, if persistence is not true, this whole thing is my expression now. Persistence is not true is false because persistence is already true. So my if condition is evaluated as false, so success will not be printed. This is about if statements in Python. Hope this is useful for you. Not met.